Have you ever wondered how a simple student becomes confident in English? Today, I will share Su Jon's beautiful story with you, a story about family, dreams, and the power of practice. Stay with me until the end, because Su Jon has a special message for you. Hello everyone, my name is Su Jon. I am a student, and today I want to share my journey with you. I want to tell you about my family, my school, and how I practice English every day. This is my story. I live with my small but very happy family. There are 3 of us: my father, my mother, and me. We love each other deeply. Every moment we spend together is precious. My father is a hard-working man. He wakes up early and goes to work every single day. He helps many people in his job. When he comes home tired, he still smiles at me. He always tells me, "Su Jon, study well, make us proud." His words give me strength. His love pushes me forward. My mother is the kindest person I know. She cooks the most delicious food for our family. The smell of her cooking fills our home with warmth. She helps me with my homework every evening. She sits beside me and explains things patiently. But there is something special she always says. She smiles at me and says, "Su Jon, speak in English with me." This simple request changed my life. My parents do everything they can to help me learn. They buy me books, notebooks, and pens. They tell me, "Read books every day. Books are your best friends." I am so grateful for them. They are my world. They are my inspiration. I want to make them happy, so I study hard every single day. Now, let me tell you about my school. I go to a good school in my town. The school is not very big, but it is very clean and beautiful. There are many classrooms with bright windows. There is also a nice playground where we play during break time. I have many friends there. We play together, we read together, and we help each other with our studies. My friends make school a joyful place. My teachers are wonderful people. They are kind, friendly, and patient. They teach us many subjects with care. But my favorite teacher is my English teacher. He is a very smart man who always smiles. He makes English feel easy and fun. He tells us English is easy. Speak simple words. Make short sentences. Repeat again and again. I listen to him carefully. I write notes in my notebook during class. At home, I read those notes many times. I repeat the words and sentences until they become natural. In English class, we do many interesting things. We read stories together. We ask questions. We answer in English, even if we make mistakes. Sometimes my teacher plays games with us. These games help us learn without feeling stressed. Learning becomes fun and exciting. At break time, something special happens. I eat snacks with my friends, and we try to talk in English. We laugh when we make mistakes. We do not feel embarrassed. We learn from those mistakes and try again. This practice with friends is very helpful. After school ends, I walk back home. I wash my hands and eat lunch with my family. Then I help my mother with some housework. After that, I sit down to do my homework. I finish my math, science, and other subjects first. Then comes my favorite part, English practice. Every day, I read one small story in English. I write down 5 new words I learn. I make short sentences using these words. Then I read them out loud. I listen to my own voice. Sometimes I watch English cartoons. I listen carefully to how the characters talk. I try to copy their words and pronunciation. This really helps my speaking skills improve. At night, something beautiful happens in my family. I sit with my father, and he asks me to tell him a short story in English. I speak slowly and carefully. My father listens with attention. When I finish, he smiles and says, "Very good, Su Jon." Those words make my heart feel warm. When my parents are proud of me, I feel motivated to learn more. On Sundays, I have a special routine. I clean my books and school bag. I arrange my notebooks neatly. I write my plan for the new week, and I write it in English. My plan is always simple. Read English every day. Write one small story. Speak to myself in English. Listen to one English video. I also write my goals in my notebook. My biggest goal is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to many countries around the world. I want to meet people from different cultures and talk to them. I know English is very important in today's world. If I learn good English, I can get a good job. I can help my family. I can even help poor people in my community. My teacher always tells me something important. Practice makes you perfect. Never stop learning. I remember his words every single day. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel sleepy after a long day, but I do not stop. I read at least one page, even if I feel lazy. This is my rule, my promise to myself. I have big dreams for my future. One day, I want to become a teacher. I want to teach English to many students just like me. I want to tell them, speak with love, speak with courage. English is your friend, not your enemy. I also want to write my own stories in English. I want to share these stories with the world. I want people to read my books and feel happy and inspired. Now, I want to tell you something from my heart, my dear friends. If I can learn English, you can too. I was very shy before. I was afraid to speak. Now I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. I am not perfect, but I am improving every day. Please listen to my advice. Read one page every day. Write one sentence every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch easy English videos. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Do not feel shy. We all make mistakes, but we learn from them. One day, you will speak English confidently. You will talk to people from other countries. You will feel very proud and happy. I believe in you. I believe in myself. Let's practice together. Let's help each other grow. Let's make our dreams come true, one word at a time. Thank you so much for listening to my story about my family, my school, and my English practice journey. I hope Su Jon's story inspired you today. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey starts with one simple step. If you enjoyed this story, please watch my next video. I will share another beautiful story to help you practice English naturally. Keep smiling, keep reading, keep speaking English every day. Your dreams are waiting for you. See you in my next story, my friends. Take care. Goodbye.